Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Today I wanted to talk about this NordicTrack commercial studio bike. This is the S22i commercial studio cycle right here. It's a really neat, popular bike. It is the newer edition here and really excited about it. I just got it, so these are some initial thoughts. I have ridden it a little bit and want to talk about setup and some other things. And then a little later on, once I get more time to test this out, I'll have another video, I think, just of an overview later on. So first off, the setup of this. So you're gonna get shipping, this and that. Once it shows up, it's going to come in a big box. There is going to be some setup, but there is an app where you can set this up really quickly. I think it took under an hour, which I'm pretty impressed with, and everything was really pretty simple to go through. There is an app, like I was saying, that you can go through, and it gives you all sorts of details, a 3D image you can move around to put this together. So really like that. And then the screen. This thing is so stinking cool. So for the NordicTrack iFIT family, you can see the treadmill right here. Had the treadmill for a while, and it's been awesome. And so I wanted to kind of add on to our little fitness gym here and add this, and I really like the screen is fantastic. You can use an iPad up here, do a lot of the same things, all of the same things, most of the same things, but really cool to be able to be doing all of the different fitness things that they have on there. So I'd say that that's one of the coolest things with each of these purchases. You get a 1-month free trial. Make sure and double check on that. I'm not sure if that will be around forever, but really neat. And the iFIT subscription is something that gives you so much more. It gives you that community. It gives you lots of instructors that you can be riding a bike around Washington, D.C., seeing cherry blossoms like I did yesterday. Like really cool stuff that you can do that's awesome, and makes this even more of an enjoyable experience. So I loved that. So this bike, looking at it right here, you have the incline right here. So you can go down -10% or up to 20%. So that is really cool if you're wanting to work on something like that. And as you're in some of those lessons that I was talking about, like the incline would adjust by itself as I was riding, which was really cool. This is super smooth as well. You can put your own pedals on, you can put your own seat on, so there's a lot of little customizable stuff for you as well. You've got some weights, a couple of 3-pound weights that come with this, a nice little table area if you want to put some stuff on it. It's got a fan that actually is pretty impressive, pretty good fan on that. You've got your resistance right here, and then you've got your incline and decline, and those are awesome buttons just to have right there. You've got this handlebar that's got a lot of different places to hold on to, emergency stop that you can push that to stop, works really well if you get going out of control a little bit. This seat is customizable, the height and how far away you are front and back. So all of this just works really well, really nice, and I've really enjoyed it so far. Plus, it is a heavy thing, but you can pretty easily pick this up. Let me see if I can get it in the right place. Once you pick this up, the weight is distributed pretty well to where the wheels are on the front, and because of that monitor and all that weight on the front, you can move this thing around pretty easy. I mean, I did that one-handed, and I'm getting over a cold right now, so I feel really weak. Anyhow, really excited about that, and it is super sturdy. I didn't feel like I was moving around at all last night when I was working on this, and I felt like I was going pretty good. So really like that. You've got right here the volume up and down. You've got an audio in right there, so you can put in headphones, different stuff like that if you want. And it's just a really nice quality product. I've really enjoyed it. I'd say definitely if you're wanting the iFIT subscription, that's one big reason to go with this. If you don't need that, there might be other cheaper options out there. In fact, there are other cheaper options out there, but part of that community and that kind of thing, I think, is definitely one of the main selling points. And I think that's something for me that will really make me get more excited about exercise and fitness and doing those types of things. And so maybe that's something for you as well. You can tap right on here, and then you click your user, who it is, and then it will give you all of these different classes or like rides and things that you can do. So really cool. Excited about that. All sorts of different features and functions, and the Wi-Fi is not working right now, so it looks like, oh, there it is. So all sorts of different things. Lincoln Memorial Ride, Washington DC, the Rift Race, Iceland, there's 4 workouts there. Kaka Falls, interval climb in Hawaii. Like, there's so many cool things that you can do. Live bike workouts, my list, you can save things. Join the 12 days of iFitness challenge, a Christmas thing right now. Couch to 40K, part 3, Iceland. All these series, beginner, road, studio series, all sorts of different things that you can access through that iFit membership. So definitely would recommend that if you're going to go with this, because it definitely gives you so much more than otherwise. So hopefully that gives you guys a quick touch and a taste of this bike, why I like it so much, why I'm so excited about it right now. And I'll come out with another video later on, just showcasing more things once I learn those. So hopefully that gives you a quick touch and a taste right now of my initial thoughts of this bike. I'm really pumped about it, and maybe you would be too. So thanks so much, guys.